Welcome to a tour of the Madison County, Illinois Hazmat Team's Unit 5351. 5351 is configured to be a quick response vehicle for the duty officers or a small team to assess an incident and begin some defensive control and limited offensive action. This video will provide an overview of the equipment and its location on the vehicle. Let's get started. The compartments are designated by the side of the vehicle and a number starting from the front. On the left side is L1, L2, L3, L4, and L5. On the right side is R1, R2, R3, R4, and R5. The rear compartment is designated the rear. L1 and R1 is one large crossbody compartment with doors on both sides. From the L1 side, you will find an MSA SCBA with mask, a 100-gallon pool, 2 packages of 100-count absorbent pads, 1 bag of coconut absorbent, 1 150-gallon tank trap, and a box containing 2 roadside reflective triangles. In L2 is 1 sked and 1 bag of rope with 2 G-rated carabiners. In L3 are various sizes of chemical boots, boot covers, gloves, hard hats, goggles, level B encapsulating and non-encapsulating suits, and safety glasses. L4 opens to reveal the backside of the monitoring compartment. In L5, you will find trash bags, bottles of water, more coconut absorbent, and a plastic bin of absorbent socks. Moving to the right side, and starting with R1, is an MSA SCBA with mask, 2 packs of 4 10-foot oil-absorbent water boom, a 100-gallon pool, and caution tape. In R2, there is a bag of plastic sheeting and a bag of level C suits and chemical jackets and pants. Moving to R3 is a decon supply bucket, a hazmat tool bucket, a sack of wood plugs, a box with several jars of plug-in dike, a box with pig putty, a socket set, a bolt cutter, and a dome clamp set. In compartment R4 is 2 Kapler Level A with flash protection suits. In R5 is an MSA SCBA with mask, 2 small step ladders, tarps, and 2 decon pools. Opening the rear compartment doors, you will find, to the left, are monitors and supplies including a radiation wand, a Geiger counter, an identifinder, 2 Ultra Radiacs, the Hazmat ID Elite with sampling pipettes and sampling vials, a Fluke infrared thermometer, a Kestrel wind speed and air temperature meter, a multi-ray 5-gas, pH paper, fluoride paper, potassium iodide paper, C batteries, and AA batteries. To the front of the vehicle is a box of privacy kits for post-decon and an MSA SCBA with mask. To the right are 4 Lion MT94 suits, a folding table, 2 barrels of absorbent pillows, one of which will be moving to 5350, and broom handles, which have been moved to under the bench seat. Moving to the cab, we will now talk about the basic functions of the radios and the siren and light controller. The radios and the siren and light controller power on with the key in the accessory position or with the engine running. At the top of the stack is the VHF radio programmed with the VHF frequencies used in the county in one zone and the national interop frequencies in another. The large knob changes the volume. To change channels within a zone, press CH plus or CH minus to scroll through the channels. There are no channels programmed in the scan list. Pressing the scan button will not start scanning. It will only beep. To change zones, press Menu, then right arrow twice to Zone, press OK, then press the right arrow to scroll through the zones. There are 3 zones listed, however only the hazmat and interop zones have channels programmed. Interop number 2 is empty and cannot be selected. When the desired zone is listed, press OK to select the zone, then press Back. To change the display backlight brightness, press the light bulb button to cycle through the 4 levels: low, medium, high, and off. To operate the Starcom radio second in the stack, VOL changes the volume, PHON changes the zone, and mode changes the channel, also called the talk group. At the bottom of the radio and light stack is the light and siren controller. Move the 3-position switch to activate the emergency lights. The positions are programmed: 1. The rear red and blue lights, 2. All lights, and 3. All lights with a different pattern. Thanks for watching.